Hello everyone friends. Today on the channel, I'll show you how to recover call history on an Android phone. To do this, go to the Play Market and in the search bar, type call, and then live. Go to Analytics Analysis, here we go. Oops. Here's the analysis. Let's go in. And here there's a program called Call Log Backup Analysis. Let's open it. And here there's a button that will show you all your calls. You can also view calls in Analytics, and here's the backup button. And here you can create and download a backup of all your calls. That's all for now. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.